Hello, language learners. Time to unlock 10 vital words from the Oxford 5000. Boosting your word power is the key to faster English improvement and clearer communication. Ready? Listen up, and let's repeat them together. Nervous. Nervous. Worried or anxious about something. Worried or anxious about something. He felt nervous before giving his presentation. He felt nervous before giving his presentation. She gets nervous when speaking in public. She gets nervous when speaking in public. Among. In the middle of or surrounded by. In the middle of or surrounded by. She was sitting among her friends, laughing happily. She was sitting among her friends, laughing happily. There's a small house hidden among the trees. There's a small house hidden among the trees. Sure. Sure. Certainly, without doubt. Certainly, without doubt. I'm sure this is the right answer. I'm sure this is the right answer. Are you sure you locked the door? Are you sure you locked the door? Feel. Feel. To experience an emotion or physical sensation. To experience an emotion or physical sensation. I feel happy when I listen to music. I feel happy when I listen to music. Do you feel tired after your workout? Do you feel tired after your workout? Mayor. Mayor. The leader of a city or town. The leader of a city or town. The mayor gave a speech about the new park project. The mayor gave a speech about the new park project. Our mayor is working to improve public transportation. Our mayor is working to improve public transportation. Stage. Stage. A raised area where performances are given. A raised area where performances are given. The band performed on the main stage. The band performed on the main stage. She walked confidently onto the stage to sing. She walked confidently onto the stage to sing. Brown. Brown. A color that is a mix of red and yellow, having this color. A color that is a mix of red and yellow, having this color. He was wearing a brown leather jacket. He was wearing a brown leather jacket. The leaves turned brown in the fall. The leaves turned brown in the fall. Interview. Interview. A meeting where someone is asked questions for a job or program. A meeting where someone is asked questions for a job or program. She has a job interview tomorrow morning. She has a job interview tomorrow morning. The manager will interview 3 candidates today. The manager will interview 3 candidates today. Market. Market. A place where goods are bought and sold. A place where goods are bought and sold. We bought fresh vegetables at the market. We bought fresh vegetables at the market. The market was full of people and colorful stalls. The market was full of people and colorful stalls. Wow. Wow. Used to express surprise or admiration. Used to express surprise or admiration. Wow, that performance was amazing. Wow, that performance was amazing. Wow, I can't believe you finished that so quickly. Wow, I can't believe you finished that so quickly. You did great today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.